There we go. And welcome back to Connector Academy. Today we're going to deep dive Deutsch DT connectors. We're going to see where they kind of fit in between DTM and DTP connectors. Let's check it out. DT connectors sit right in the middle of the Deutsch family. They're larger than DTM, smaller than DTP, and they're designed for general purpose automotive wiring. DT doesn't stand for a wire size or anything like that. It just stands for Deutsch Thermoplastic. It's also the only one of the three that has a seal on the plug instead of inside the receptacle. DT connectors are found in 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12 position connectors. They're a go-to choice when you need durability, weather sealing, and enough current capacity for things like lighting, sensors, and moderate loads. The 8-pin connectors do something a little different than anything we've seen with the rest of them. They can stack together to form large connector blocks. They also use their own mount. So this mount architecture is not shared with any other of the Deutsch connectors. You'll see here it's a little different and it's actually quite hard to put on and take off. Then here's a couple connectors demonstrating the regular mounts that all DTM, DT, and DTP connectors use all the time. DT connectors use size 16 terminals, which are typically rated for up to about 13 amps per circuit, depending on wire size and conditions. Here you can see them compared to DTM and DTP. Let's check out a pin insertion in slow motion. When depinning, like you saw earlier, what we're doing is trying to lift that tang that's retaining the pin. And as always, we appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.